The only way to test the integrity of a wall is with our Adhesion Test Kit. Inside this bad boy, you've got everything you need. You've got a punch, a blade, most importantly, you've got your spring gauge puller. It's going to check the tension of your material. Let me show you how it works. Take a test strip from the kit, fold it over, punch a hole and apply it to the wall. Take the bristle brush and rub the strip up and down 3 times. If it's a cold day, then use some heat to help activate the adhesive. Let it cure for 15 minutes. Then take the spring gauge puller and attach it to the test strip. The gauge should be at 90 degrees to the strip and you need to pull the gauge back slowly until the strip starts moving. The reading should be 300 newtons or above. On the first wall where a water-based plaster primer was used, the test strip fails completely. You can see the paint has come off with the test strip. If the paint has failed, you will need to remove the paint and get back to the original surface, in this case drywall. Once the wall has been stripped and sanded, wipe the wall down and apply CoverStyl's water-based primer and let it dry for at least an hour. I'll show you the benefit of our primer by doing another adhesion test. The results speak for themselves. Follow these steps and you'll never have a wall application failure again. Hit the like button if you like the content. Be sure to subscribe to the CoverStyl channel for more tips and tricks.